Do you want to start earning on TikTok, or you are already earning on TikTok but you don't know how to verify your TikTok payment? In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method on how you can start verifying your TikTok payment account in 2025. In this video, I'm going to cover everything. I'm going to show you how you can get ITIN number or TIN number, which you can use for your TikTok payment verification. And also, I will also show you in this video how you can get your payment information verified, e.g. your payment account, like using Payoneer or PayPal account. I'm going to show you how you can get all that done. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because the part you decided to skip may be most important part you need to watch and start getting everything done right. So don't skip any part. In this video, I'm going to show you the full tutorial on how you can get your ITIN number or TIN number, which you are going to use for your TikTok payment verification, and also how you can set up your account being PayPal or Payoneer, how you can get a verified PayPal account, and also how you can get a verified Payoneer account, which you can start receiving money from TikTok. So if you are searching for TikTok payment requirement or TikTok monetization or anything about TikTok, then this video is for you. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because when next we drop more videos about that, you should also be among of the people to watch those videos. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we'll teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys how you can start verifying your TikTok payment account, and also how you can connect your account to TikTok and start receiving your payment with your TikTok account. Let's get started. Let me take you guys to my phone screen right now. Now, what you need to do first is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link. The first link you see, you click on the link and it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see the TIN. As you can see, this is where you are going to get your TIN, which you are going to use for your TikTok payment verification. As you can see, this website say LLC or ITIN or both apply online from Nigeria. So if you are from Nigeria, Canada, India, or any country you are in the world, if you are not US resident, you can try this and it's going to work for you perfectly. As you can see, it says access US banking, launch your store, get paid on platform like Stripe, Amazon, PayPal from anywhere. So you can use this method and get your ITIN number. And you can also use this platform, this website you are seeing here, to get your LLC. So if you're a business owner and you have a lot of money you want to receive, you can use this LLC to get a business working PayPal account. Yes, you can use it, but I'm going to show you every method which you need to follow and get everything done right. But before that, let me also show you some things you need to know about this platform. As you can see, it said it's easy than you thought. Fill out your simple form. So all you just have to do, you can read this out later. Down, as you can see, let's scroll down here. As you can see, it said over 3,000 people from 152 countries have chosen us since 2017. Check our industrial leaders below, who are our partners. So as you can see, First Base, Dula, you can check all this. These are some of their other platform they are partner with, other industry they are partner with. So you can scroll down and see. Now you can also check their review. When you click on review, you are going to also see how people are being reviewing and be talking about this platform. So you can check the review and know any more things about this platform, how this platform have helped a lot of people to get their PayPal account and also to get their Payoneer account. Yes, you can use it to create your own Payoneer account. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to fill out your name here where it is set ITIN number. I know a lot of people will be confused that they do need to pay. Yes, you need to pay $348. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can use my promo code and get this money deducted by 50% discount. They are going to remove 50% discount for you if you use my promo code, which I'll be showing you before the end of this video. I'm going to give you my promo code. So that is why you need to watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to put your name here. So I'm going to put in my name. After you put your name, then the next thing you are going to do is to click on order now. And when you click on order now, it's going to bring you to an interface. When you click on order now, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see born without an SSN. Don't worry, we have you secure your ITIN. You can use this ITIN to verify your TikTok account, and also you can use ITIN in any place you see the ask of SSN and you don't have the SSN. You can use this ITIN. That is why you can also use this ITIN to create your PayPal account. You can use it to verify your PayPal account, and you can be using that PayPal account to receive money anywhere you are in the world. Now, the next thing you are going to do, I'm going to show you how you can use my promo code, which is Numpe Flavor TV, and get your 50% discount. Now, to do that, all you have to do is to fill all your information here: email address, your first name, your last name, your street, all your information. Make sure you put it here, and you also put your payment information. After you have put your payment information, the next thing you are going to do is to click on I have a promo code. And when you click on I have a promo code, they are going to bring you to where you are going to enter your promo code. And to enter your promo code, you enter this promo code that is showing right now on your screen. The way I'm typing it, Numpe Flavor TV 50, the way it's showing right now. Then you click on apply now. And when you click on apply now, you are going to see 50% discount is going to be removed from the money you are expected to spend earlier. Before you are expected to spend $348, but right now, using my promo code Numpe Flavor 50, Numpe Flavor TV 50, the way it's showing right now on your screen, 50% discount is going to be removed, and you are expected to spend $298 right now to get your ITIN number. And immediately you receive this ITIN number, you can use it to verify your TikTok payment account. And this TIN number will take you few weeks, only some weeks, and you are going to get it, and you can use it to verify your TikTok payment account. In fact, you can also use it to verify your PayPal account. So if you are looking for how you can get a working PayPal account, you can use this TIN, because getting PayPal account, why a lot of people PayPal account is being banned, is because of this TIN or SSN. But if you get this TIN, you can just use it to verify your PayPal account, and your PayPal account is going to be working. Now, for you to set up your PayPal account to be working. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you are going to do, I'm going to show you how you can also get your PayPal account or Payoneer account. And to do that, after you receive this, you can just click on this chat button, and you chat their customer care support that you need ITIN, and they are going to get you working ITIN. Now, a lot of people will be asking question how you can set this thing up. Let me take you guys to my phone screen on my TikTok account and show you guys how it works. Now you log in into your TikTok account. After you log into your TikTok account, you click on profile, and after you click on profile, you click on this three dots here, and you click on TikTok Studio. When you click on TikTok Studio, you are going to scroll down. You are going to scroll down to your Creators Reward Program. As you can see it here, you click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to an interface where you are going to see your payment, where you are going to set your payment information and also your task information. Now, as you can see, this is my new TikTok account. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on set up payment. Now, this is the place you are going to see, as you can see, your payout method. Then the first one, you click on the payout method. Now, this is the place you are going to select the payment method you want to use. You can use either Payoneer or PayPal. Now, as you can see, you can choose in between the two. You can choose Payoneer or PayPal here. So the process I just showed you moments ago, you can use that and select your country and choose your payment method here. After you have successfully get your own working PayPal account from that platform I showed you moments ago, you can use it here, or you can change the payment method to Payoneer. So this is where you are going to put your PayPal account, your email account, your PayPal account. And after you have done that, the next thing you are going to do is to also set up your task information. Now, the next thing you are going to do when you click on task information like this, is going to bring you to where you are going to put the TIN you get from the TIN, the platform I showed you a moment ago. So if you register for individual TIN for LLC, then maybe you are a single person, you can choose individual. But if you are running a business, you can choose for this number 2. Then let's use this individual. Then after you click individual, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now you have to put in the name, the exact name you use to register your TIN number, that your ITIN number. Make sure you put the name here. As you can see, your first name, your last name. Then this is the place you are going to put the 9-digit TIN number that was given to you. As you can see, enter your US taxpayer identification number. You put it here. After you put it, you select your country, then your state, your city, your address, your zip code, and you fill all this information. And after you fill all the information, you click on continue. And after you click on continue, your tax information is going to be reviewed and is going to be verified. So this is how you are going to set your tax information and your payment information. Now, after you have learned all those settings and you have get your TIN and you have followed the method I just show you right now, and you get your account verified, and you start receiving payment from TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.